Logan's Alley, and high-flying Kung Fu, each sold separately. Will you be the one to experience the Nintendo Entertainment System? Comes with Rob, Zapper, Control Deck, 2 controllers, Gyromite, and Duck Hunt.
When you get hold of the Nintendo Entertainment System, when you master Rob the video robot, and meet the challenge of Gyromite, when you shoot the light-sensing Zapper, when you play the system with so many arcade hits, you're playing with power. The Nintendo Entertainment System Deluxe Set. Batteries not included. Super Mario Brothers and other games sold separately.
Mario! Mario! Mario!
Super Mario. 1, 2, and 3. There's power in numbers. Nintendo. Now you're playing with power. Each game sold separately.
The Power Glove for your Nintendo Entertainment System. Now you and the games are one. Everything else is child's play.
Ultra's improved your favorite arcade game. First, we added 2 new levels, then packed it with bigger, stronger enemies, and a ton of extra foot soldiers. Next, we punched up the action with knockout new attack moves and crime-fighting scenes like the Ninja Castle. If that doesn't swell your shell, we made one more small adjustment. Introducing the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game, today's biggest hit. For your NES. Free personal pan pizza coupon from Pizza Hut.
What's it like to play the Nintendo Entertainment System? The Nintendo Entertainment System. Now, playing with power.
Watch out for the guy. Right.
The boy, where is he?
Hey, here we go. Down to the dance floor. Mom, ever heard of
Star Wars, a force stronger than your parents doesn't want.
Mario! Mario!
Croeso i'r stream. Heddiw byddai'n chwarae Day the Tentacle. Fel chi'n gweld fan hyn, mae'r gêm yma yn Antur Pwynt a Chlic, Point and Click Adventure. A edrych ymlaen at chwarae hwn. Byddwn ni yn neud gêm arall Pwynt a Chlic dydd Mercher, so mae hwn bach o ymarfer really o ran y stael o gêm yma. Felly edrych ymlaen. Right, so gawn ni weld. Ddim yn swnio'n rhy dda. Mae'n edrych fel mae di torri. Falle bydd rhaid fi ail-agor e. Dim ot, achos dylai fe pigo fe fyny'n syth. Bydd rhaid fi just newid y settings tipyn bach. Mae'n tiny. Dyna ni. Felly os chi'n gwylio, gan fi gwybod beth yw eich hoff Antur Pwynt a Chlic chi. Developers Commentary. No. Really eisiau hwnna. So Lucas So, ma nhw wedi wneud eitha dipyn o clasuron Pwynt a Chlic. Felly gweld, mae fe'n eitha cartoony o ran y style.
I'm thirsty.
I don't think you should drink that. It looks bad for you.
Nonsense. It makes me feel great. Smarter. More aggressive. I feel like I could. Like I could. Like I could. Take on the world.
Just a pink in the brain.
Look, Hoagie, it's a hamster. Just what I need for dissection lab tomorrow.
I think I need that for the band, Laverne. You know, like we could bite its head off or whatever.
Hands off that hamster.
Friend of yours, Bernard?
He belongs to Weird Ed Edison, and it looks like he's brought us a note. It's from my old friend, Green Tentacle. He says that Purple Tentacle's mutated into an insane genius, and Dr. Fred's going to kill them both. I thought I was free of Dr. Fred and those crazy Edisons forever. But now I know that I must go back to the mansion.
So, oedd y game greiddiol LucasArts o'r cyfres yma oedd Maniac Mansion. Mae hwnna'n Antur Pwynt a Chlic arall. So pan mae'n dweud mynd nôl i'r mansion, mae fe'n cyfeirio at Maniac Mansion. So just i gael gwybod. Tim Schafer a Dave Grossman. Mae Tim Schafer wedi gwneud lot o fel pethau comedi Pwynt a Chlic, dwi'n credu. So yeah. Dwi ddim wedi gorffen y gêm yma, felly dwi'n eitha... Fi wedi gwneud y bit cyntaf, ond oedd hwnna'n spel yn ôl, felly diddorol i trio cofio sut i wneud darn cyntaf. Ond ie, mae fe'n... Gyda unrhyw beth, mae Antur Pwynt a Chlic yn oce. Nes bod chi'n dod i'r pwynt lle chi yn hollol stuck. Dwi ddim yn peth chi'n gallu just skipio'r rhaid gweithio mas posau i gyd, y puzzles i gyd. So, un o'r anturiaethau cyntaf, Pwynt a Chlic, nes i chwarae, oedd Broken Sword, y cyfres Broken
Okay,
Sword.
we'll spread out commando style. Laverne, you go secure the area behind those double doors. Hoagie, you take care of upstairs reconnaissance. I'll maintain Command HQ here, in the lobby.
What are we looking for?
We've got to find where Dr. Fred is holding the tentacles.
This better not take too long. I've got an anatomy final tomorrow.
And I've got a show to set up later tonight. If I'm late, I don't get to test the drums.
If I know Dr. Fred, he's got the tentacles tied up in his secret lab. Question is, where's his secret lab?
Right, so cerdded, verb selection. object highlight, shift, open menu, switch render mode, confirm, navigate, skip cutscene, open inventory, IU inventory, A commentary, select Hoagie, Bernard, Laverne, Indie Tree, skip dialogue. Ydw I eisiau chwarae gyda controller? Na, mae Point and Click Adventure yn classic ar PC, so fi ddim yn mynd i pigo fyny.
It's stuck to the floor.
Okay, well.
It's stuck to the floor.
Rhaid I fi cael rhywbeth te.
Out of order.
Mae tywydd yn bach yn odd yn dyw e. Mae fel bach o storm ar y ffordd fi'n credu. Felly...
Aha! A secret passage. This is all too easy.
Yeah, so mae'r gemau yma'n really kind of cartoony.
Laverne, how'd you get upstairs?
Am I upstairs? I got lost.
Seen any tentacles?
What's a tentacle?
Oh, just something I whipped up in my spare time. Made good pets, actually. Until one of them tried to take over the world. Had to tie the little buggers up in the basement.
Good thing you told us that.
Yeah, Bernard wanted us to set them free.
Thank God you weren't that stupid. Did you say Bernard?
Okay, you're free to go.
Thanks, Bernard.
Yes, thank you, naive human. Now I can finish taking over the world.
Wait!
Oh, yeah. Now I remember. He's incredibly evil, isn't he?
I'll try to talk him out of it.
Well, what possible harm could one insane mutant tentacle do?
Leaping lab rats!
Dr. Fred.
What have you done this time, you meddling milquetoast? Now Purple Tentacle is free to use his evil mutant powers to take over the world and enslave all humanity!
Whoops.
Our only hope now is to turn off my sludge-o-magic machine and prevent the toxic mutagen from entering the river!
Isn't it a little late for that, Doctor?
Of course! That's why I'll have to do it yesterday! Through the time machine!
Oh, gosh.
This is all your fault, Bernard.
Behold, children, the Chronogon!
Doc, can't you just send Bernard?
No, you must all go to increase the odds that one of you will make it there alive.
Have any people ever been hurt in this thing?
Of course not. This is the first time I've ever tried it on people.
Felly mae car. Mae cael sgert o'r car o hwnna. Alright.
Well, I'll be.
Bernard, float over here so I can punch you.
This must be that Woodstock place Mom and Dad are always talking about.
Woodstock.
What could it all mean?
I don't know. I don't want to know.
Die. Die.
We may not live to see yesterday.
I'm sure Dr. Fred wouldn't have done this if it weren't safe.
After all, he is a doctor.
It works! I can't believe it! And they said imitation diamond wasn't good enough.
Pass PC Vita. Gyda chi hwnna. Ni'n chwarae fe. Chi'n prynu fe mefyd, ond jyst i ddweud hwnna dwi'n chwarae ar nawr. Yw'r Xbox Game Pass PC Vita.
Cheap mail order jewels.
What happened to Hoagie and Laverne?
I knew I should have bought a real diamond.
Are they alive?
My dials say that the larger specimen landed 200 years in the past, and the other is stuck 200 years in the future.
Well, hurry up and bring them back.
I will, as soon as I get a new diamond. Then all your buddies have to do is plug in their respective chronogens and...
Plug them in? Where is Hoagie going to find an electrical outlet 200 years in the past?
Yes, well, he'll be needing my patented super battery then, won't he? Now, where did I put those patented super battery plans of mine?
Plans? How are we gonna get Hoagie plans?
Don't worry me with details, boy. Just help me find the plans. They're in this house somewhere.
Now what am I going to do?
I think I made myself perfectly clear. Step 1. Find plans.
Shwmai, Kieran. Sut mae hwyl?
Step 2.
Ni'n
Save
ymarfer
world.
trwy chwarae
Step 3.
Point and Click Adventure
Get
games.
out of my house.
Anturiaethau Pwynt a
Let's
Click.
get cracking.
So mae hwn yn classic Point and Click Adventure, sef Day of the Tentacle. A oedd y game cyn hwn yn... Pan mae hwn wedi stop? O, dyna ni. Right, so mae'r game... Pan mae ddim yn gadael fi symud? Mae'r mic yn tibleisio. Okay. Right, gaf fi newid hwnna. Right, ydy hwnna'n well? Gaf fi just checkio pam. Dyna ni.
Maybe I put them upstairs. That's got to be it. Upstairs.
Nes i... O'n i'n neud bach o waith troslais. So fi wedi bod yn ffidlo gyda'r settings yr audio. Just achos pan ti'n neud gwaith fel fi'n neud gwaith comic book viral. A mae lot o cymeriadau yna yn fel gweiddi neu yn siarad yn uchel. So oedd rhaid I fi addasu'r setup I gallu chwarae. Fi ddim... Okay, gwthio'r lever yma.
It's off, but it's too late now. I'd rather not.
Fi yn fan mawr o'r style yma o game. A fi'n siŵr, mae'n help actually chwarae gyda pobl yn gwylio game yma achos weithiau chi ddim yn gallu meddwl bleifin neu beth I wneud. So, fi'n enjoy hwnna. Helo, comentio o amser cynio fi. Ei, shwmai, Ieuan. Ti'n iawn? So, fi'n credu, os ni'n mynd mewn I inventory, ni'n gallu cael look.
Gee, Dr. Fred doesn't have a penny.
Right.
1952.
Textbook.
The Chicago Manual of Thermodynamic Flux Induction Circuit Design. Great stuff.
Cool. Oh. Can I gwasgu escape? Right. Oedd unrhyw beth arall fanna? Boo Boo Be Gone. Dwi'n gallu... dyna ni. Gallu actually gweld beth oedd yn y drar.
I left my little black book at home. It's fine where it is. Boy, the Edisons are a spectacularly ugly family.
The Edisons. So o'n I yn meddwl...
Wow, it's from my
Tiod
favorite
fi wedi bod yn neud gwaith fel... Yeah, good. Yeah, really good. Just yn neud awr nawr o Antur, Pwynt a Chlic. Achos di Mercher, fi wedi prynu a lawrlwytho game Leisure Suite Larry, felly yr un newydd. So edrych ymlaen at trio hwnna.
That kind is too bulky to carry around all day.
A wedyn di Seal Worms WMD ar Steam. So dyna yw'r cynllun wythnos yma. So di heddiw hwn, dydd Iau a dydd Gwener amser yma, Day of the Tentacle. Dydd Mercher wedyn y nos Leisure Suite Larry a di Seal Worms WMD. So dyna yw y cynllun.
Looks like Dr. Fred wearing a powdered wig. Handsome in a way, but I'm glad he eventually accepted his hair loss.
So os chi newydd ymuno mewn, mae'r beth ti angen neud fan hyn, mae doi o ffrindiau fi di mynd, un di mynd i'r dyfodol a llall yn y gorffennol. A ni angen helpu nhw, ond ni hefyd angen stopio boi yma.
It's permanently attached to the countertop.
Right. Os fi'n defnyddio Boo Be Gone ar hwnna.
I don't think that would look better white.
Oh, right. Mae fe'n thing... Boo Be Gone yw fel tip X, fi'n credu. Oh my gosh. Uzu the Clown.
You looking at me? Are you looking at me? Then who are you looking at, huh? I asked you a question. Okay, clown, that does it.
Oedd dy fi un o'r clowns yna fel plentyn.
Clown.
Oedden ni'n meddwl bydd e fwy fel bandage. Yeah. O ie, falle, Boo Be Gone. Ond oedd e'n dweud gwyn, so, o ie, falle. Gawn ni weld. Mae cigarettes...
Hey, boy, you missed the party.
You and the clown were having a party?
No, last night. At the Novelty Good Salesmen's Convention. I tell you, we Novelty Good Salesmen know how to have a good time.
Has anyone ever told you you look like Dante Alighieri?
That's strange. My wife says I look like Charlie Chaplin. Oh, want a cigar?
Sure, lay one of those Havanan babies on me.
Oh god. Bendant eisiau pigo fyny hwnna rhywbryd. Oh god. Okay.
You shouldn't smoke. It's a bad habit.
Oedd gyda fe'r chwerthyniad mead, so fel silent laughter thing yna. Sy'n weird.
That cracks me up every time.
Okay. Let's see what I mean. Dwi'n gallu pigo rhain?
Jumpy little sucker. Jumpy little sucker. Yikes!
So fi methu pigo fyny.
No use in doing that, it's empty.
Okay.
I don't even want to touch that gunk. Disgusting.
Garbage.
Jumpy little sucker.
Bendant eisiau'r gun.
Hands off, boy! That's a precision-made novelty device!
Yeah, fel bod hwnna ddim yn sus. Wyt ti'n mynd lan y siwmne.
A shaft is normally attached here to supply a rotary motive force which is transmitted up the pole. I don't think I can do that.
So fi ddim eisiau cymryd e off I ddim yn credu y cranc. Right, trio roi yn ôl. Ydw i'n gallu just... Okay. Rai bod fi'n rhoi rhywbeth ar y pole yna. Ydw i'n...
What on earth am I going to do with
Yeah,
a flagpole?
o'n i'n meddwl, na. Right, so... Sa'n credu fi di pigo fe fyny eto. Okay, yeah.
It's not exactly the Ritz. I wouldn't want to strain myself.
Sy'n rhywbeth fyny worth wneud? Ooh. Rash of counterbeam baffles police. Oh, so mae'r estroniaid wedi dechrau tipio dros yr gwartheg. Beth mae hi eisiau?
Excuse me.
What is it? I'm rather... Say, aren't you Bernard Bernoulli?
Yes, that's right.
I knew it! You broke into our mansion a few years ago to save your little friend. What did you come for this time?
I'm trying to keep a tentacle from conquering the world.
Really? How nice.
How's Dr. Fred doing?
Well, he's still upset about the family financial situation, seeing that it's his fault and all. But he seems a lot better now that he stopped sleepwalking.
How did he wreck the family finances?
Well, we should have made millions on the computer game they made about us. But the resident genius locked the contract in the safe in his office and forgot the combination.
Yeah, so Maniac Mansion oedd y gêm cynta. Mae lot o cyfeiriadau oedd hi'n cymeriad yn y gêm yna dwi'n credu.
I find him in the office, opening it, screaming like a cat in the oven, and slamming it again. Something about what's in there really scares him. Unfortunately, I was never able to catch the combination since he works it so fast.
How did he manage to stop sleepwalking?
He stopped sleeping. Fred drinks a lot of coffee.
Oh dear.
Me, I only drink decaf.
So super battery, dyna sydd angen arna I.
Battery around, have you?
Super battery, huh? Fred might have something like that.
Fred is the one who told me to find them.
Oh.
I was just admiring your statue.
Thank you. It's been in the Edison family since colonial times. One of Fred's ancestors carved it.
This is quite an array of gadgetry you have here.
Yes, it's the best surveillance system in the state.
Is that a Plexus 7000 VCR?
It sure is. It's got a dual-tape speed motor with cobalt casing. Don't touch it.
Are those xenophobe crystal matrix monitors?
They sure are. They're so clear you can see the fleas on the bedroom walls. Don't touch.
Do you think I could play with these a bit?
Absolutely not.
I'll let you get back to what you are doing.
Come back anytime, you big hunk.
Mi siarad unwaith to dy hi.
Excuse me.
Ac oedd doi peth.
Hi there, my little pie.
So mae'n rhoi...
Never mind.
Alright, okay, fi di siarad gyda hi digon then. Felly...
Creepy.
Creepy.
It looks awful heavy. It looks awful heavy.
Get away from that!
Right, so hi'n gael ti wneud unrhyw beth. Alright, trio fan hyn. Oh
Hey,
gosh, edrych
aren't
ar
you
boi 'ma.
Weird Ed Edison, the paramilitary nut?
Why, yes, Hey, do I know you?
Yeah, I'm Bernard Bernoulli. I broke into your house 5 years ago, kidnapped your hamster, broke into your piggy bank.
No, doesn't ring a bell, but I can't remember much about that period anyway. My psychotherapist thinks something traumatic happened to me back then that I'm blocking out.
So you gave up the crazy military commando thing?
I'm much better now. I don't have those bad thoughts anymore. Now I collect stamps.
That's quite a nice collection. Can I have it?
No, I mean
No.
They mean a lot to me. Sometimes I think they're the only friends I've got.
So dyna oedd hamster oedd wedi dod o'r dechrau'r
No, he just sits there.
i'r neges.
I used to have a really smart hamster, but something happened to him.
Oh no.
What happened to the old hamster?
I don't remember. When I try, all I can think of is a flash of light and this horrible sound.
What was the horrible sound?
It was sort of like ding. Oh God, I hear it in my dreams till this day.
That hamster really should get some exercise.
Well, Dad puts him to work down in the basement sometimes. But then he starts sweating, and then he gets wet, and then he gets cold, and then he refuses to work.
Your dad or the hamster?
Are you making fun of me?
No, I
get upset when people make fun of me.
I just meant...
Oh, it makes me so mad. I just want to... relax. I want to relax. I'll be okay if I just focus on my stamps.
Are all your hobbies this fascinating?
I don't have any other hobbies. These stamps are my whole life.
So mae'n
If anything were ever to
cadw
happen to
stampiau.
them-
Mae'n bach yn nuts.
How are the folks?
Well, Dad's in the basement doing an experiment. Mom's in the next room spying on a honeymoon. Ted's in the front
Oh, maen nhw'n
yard.
teulu mawr.
Bowl of lard?
Well, it's a bird bath actually, but it rhymes better your way.
Well, hope I didn't get you too excited. Bye.
Dyddo, pan nes I chwarae hwn tro diwetha, nes I ddim... Os weithiau ti just... Os ti...
He's reading the Wall Street Journal.
Os ti'n skipio gormod, ti'n colli'r holl stori. Dwi'n hoffi gwrando ar y stori. Beth fi'n gallu neud fan hyn? Maniac... Oh my god, ti'n gallu actually chwarae game Maniac Mansion, sef y game cyntaf, o fewn y game, yr ail game. Mae hwnna'n cool. Rhaid dweud. Okay, it's beside... A mae hwn actually yn footage greiddiol o'r game. So mae hwn oedd y game, un o'r gemau cyntaf Pwynt a Chlic, sef Maniac Mansion. Sy'n ffynnu achos os ti'n meddwl amdano fe, mae'r size mae gemau wedi esblygu dros y blynyddoedd. So mae'r game yma'n digon fach i ffitio yn y game newydd. Ond, ie. That's nuts, man. So ie, dyma oedd y game greiddiol then. Maniac Mansion. Dr. Fred, Sandy. Okay, mae fe'n redig I ffwrdd. Bernard, don't be a tuna head. Beth. Okay. Right, falle na I mynd mas o fe achos okay, na I just need right, na I mynd mas o hwnna. Ond o'n eitha cool, right dweud. Ond, yeah. Fi ddim yn mynd I cwblhau game o fewn game fan hyn. Fi eisiau gorffen Maniac Mansion.
Green! Bernard!
So dyna'r yr estronwr dda, y caredig.
What he'll do if he catches me, if Dr. Fred doesn't find me first. Does that answer your question?
Yeah. Hey!
What's up, Bernard?
You haven't seen Dr. Fred's plans for a super battery around, have you?
No, just these world domination plans of Purple's. Any of Fred's plans would probably be in his office or the lab.
Okay.
What do you suppose Purple's up to now?
Well, he wants to take over the world, so I figure he's up to something devious.
Conducting cryogenic experiments on small animals?
I wouldn't doubt it. But I was thinking more along the lines of politics.
Want to help me save the world?
I'm afraid to leave the room. In fact, I don't think I can even move from this spot. Purple scares the daylights out of me.
How's your new band doing?
Green tea and the sushi platter? We're doing great.
Green tea and the sushi platter.
We capitalize on our strongest quality as a band.
Intoxicating 3-part vocal harmony?
Volume, man, volume! We have a chance to win a Grimy Award as the loudest new band. We're pulling out all the stops.
Weren't you looking for a new guitarist a while back?
Yes, but we decided to go with a guy who plays power tools instead. We can generate a lot more sound that way.
Okay, fi'n mynd I symud ble ma... Os fi'n gallu just mynd mas o hwn. Fi'n symud hwn draw fan hyn. Achos chi ddim yn gweld y text. Gywir. A wedyn na I wneud hwn. A gwylio fe fel na. Right, mae'n ei fwy o synwyr, really. Achos chi eisiau gweld beth maen nhw'n dweud.
Have you gotten any airplay?
No, we're a little too experimental for most radio stations. But we have a huge following in the club scene.
Club scene.
Are you working on an album?
Yeah, we're doing a CD called Rap on the Forehead. I've got a few tracks hooked up through the stereo.
Rap on the forehead.
That's great.
Yeah.
Why the litter box? Have you got a cat?
Don't ask.
How does a tentacle sit in a beanbag chair?
Oh, that part's easy. Getting back out of it is hard.
Can you actually use that bowling ball?
No, Purple brought that in here after he grew arms. He got really discouraged, though, because he doesn't have fingers.
Well, see you later, Green.
Yeah! Good luck in saving the world, B-Man.
It looks too heavy for me to pick up.
Ugh.
It's pretty small.
So nawr, os mae hwnna ar y llawr, credu mae rhywbeth I wneud gyda'r sŵn yn uchel. Oh.
Wow, this is loud.
O, mae rhywbeth yn cwmpo. O, y bwyd yna. Perffaith. Oh, actually, oedd e'n sôn am rhywbeth yn ynglyn â bandage. Falle mae'r boo-boo bandage thing yna. Yeah, falle. Hana fe.
I don't think that would look better white.
Alright, white falle ddim yn. Sy'n fan hyn?
It's useless. No one will ever be interested in my design, so I'm ending my novelty inventing career right here in this tacky motel. How appropriate.
Oh gosh.
I can't even do this right.
Oh, dwi yn hwnna fe. Disappearing ink. Dwi'n gallu...
It doesn't seem to open.
Leftovers.
I can't see it very well from here. I can't reach that from here.
Okay, gwell I fi siarad dy fe then.
I can't reach that from
Siarad
here.
gyda Dwayne.
Hi, my name's Bernard. What's yours?
Dwayne.
Dwayne.
Isn't that depressing?
You haven't seen any plans for a super battery around, have you?
Super battery? That sounds even worse than the things I come up with.
No yoika.
Gee, you look depressed.
What clued you in, brainiac?
The stooped shoulders and long face?
I'm having a crisis here.
Crisis.
A warehouse of anguish. I'm a novelty goods designer by trade. I've come up with some fabulous ideas. The exploding lollipop, itching powder gum, and reverse 3D glasses, to name a few. The problem is, no one likes my designs. I send them all over the world and no one responds.
Dwayne.
I just wish someone would say they liked one just once.
Oh,
woe is me.
Woe is me.
I like your design ideas.
Well, I didn't mean you.
Oh.
What did you say your job was again?
I'm a novelty goods designer by trade. The problem is, no one likes my
Come on,
designs.
loop.
I send them all over the world and no
Yep,
one responds.
skip. Oh, na, ddim. Gwasgu hwnna, though.
I just wish someone would say they liked one just once. Oh, woe is me.
No.
Maybe I can help cheer you up.
Oh, I can hardly wait.
Let's discuss philosophy.
Okay, here's my philosophy. Life is completely pointless, especially mine.
Nietzsche had some interesting ideas along those
So mae
lines.
cerddoriaeth yna dal yn uchel.
Yes, philosophers are all failures like me who couldn't make it in a real profession.
Okay.
Never mind.
Fi'n mynd I mynd nôl nawr. I troi'r sŵn yna off achos mae mor rwystredig. Trio siarad. Na. Dim mewn fyna. A ddim mewn fyna, chwaith. O, lawr fyna. Lle dde? O, dde fyna. Right. Troi hwn off. Diolch fe.
Phew. Nice music they pipe in here, huh?
It's from the Elevator Classics series. It seems like this one tune has been on all day. I've never been so depressed in my life.
Oh.
Maybe I can help cheer you up.
Oh,
Be
I
ni'n mynd I
can
wneud
hardly wait.
I wneud fe teimlo'n well?
Maybe some calisthenics would help.
Last time I tried calisthenics, I ruptured my spleen.
Oh god.
Ugh.
Mae'n person mor druenus.
Why don't you try whistling a happy tune?
I invented a whistle that turned your lips green. Nobody liked it. Ugh.
Okay, maybe I can't cheer you up.
No.
Don't worry about it. I'd only get depressed again.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Okay. Mas o fyna. O, ydw i'n gallu...
Except for those beef squigglies, I got everything I want out of there. I'd rather not. Except for those beef squigglies, I got everything I want out of there.
Na, 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 na. Agorwch y drws. Oh my god.
I don't have time for that now. I don't have time for that now. I'm on a mission. I can't pick it up. That guy is lying on it.
Yes.
I don't think I can do that. My grandma gave me one like this for my birthday. No way.
Tani fe?
I can't move him an inch.
Trwy'r teledu ymlaen.
This beautiful 4,000 carat diamond can
Pimp,
be
pimp, pimp.
yours today.
Pedwar, dau,
With a
pedwar, un.
special rock bottom introductory price of $2 million. The number to call is 1-800-STAR Wars. Don't miss this
1-800 Star Wars.
once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Okay, coin slot. O, dyna beth fi angen neud te. Rhoi hwnna mewn fanna. O, mae'n mynd I cwmp off. Oh, da, mae'n mwy ar yr thing.
I can almost get it now, but Lardo is lying on the sleeve.
Okay. Cream.
Couch Potato Shopping Channel, Wanda speaking.
I want to buy a diamond.
That will be $2 million. Do you have a major credit card?
I have a numbered Swiss bank account.
Ooh.
What's the number, sir?
It's 846-427-35327.
I'm sorry, the Creditron shows that account to be empty.
O na. Dim cyfle fanna te. So, gwell I fi cael ffrw Emerald Stolen. Beth sydd fan hyn?
No way. There's things in there that look like they've been there for years. Doesn't anyone ever clean this thing? No way. There's things in there that look like they've been there for years. It is open. It's pretty darn cold.
Oes na rhywbeth fi'n gallu... Rwy'r hamster mewn fanna?
I'm sorry to do this to you, little fella, but it's for the future of the whole planet.
Pam! Oh! Oh, na na na.
The plans! The plans!
Right.
I'd better not. He looks pretty angry. I'd better not. He looks pretty angry.
Pam bydden ni'n neud hwnna? Hwnna just yn nuts.
No way.
Dwi'n
There's
cau
things
e.
in there that look like they've been there for years.
Oh, falle dyna'r ffordd o gael e I mynd trwy'r amser. As in, cryogenic freezing. Falle. Ddim yn siŵr. No. Dwi'n gwybod mae rhaid fi cael y
It's stuck to the floor.
fake barf. Fi angen hwnna. Flyer.
That one looks like it's from a local hardware store.
Sut fi'n mynd I cael hwnna? Give gum with a dime stick. Give gum. Na. Gallu pigo fe fyny?
It's stuck to the floor.
So, beth dwi'n mynd I ddefnyddio I cael gwar o fe? Ink? Na, dyw ink ddim. Fi'n gwybod dwi ddim, ond...
Not funny enough.
Not funny enough. Boo Boo Be Gone. Nithon ni trio hwnna.
I don't think that would look better white.
Flyer. Fi'n gwybod mae rhain yn hollol
I'd
hirt.
rather not.
Ond... mae rhaid trio weithiau. Pob opsiwn. Okay. Lle mae rhywbeth draw fan hyn? Fi ddim di gweld eto. O, tŷ bach. Na. Mae bod rhywbeth lan fan hyn.
I don't want to cause any more trouble. I don't want to cause any more trouble. I don't want to cause any more trouble.
It's dim byd lawr fan hyn. Gwerth cyffwrdd. Oh. Okay. Rhywbeth draw fan hyn. Hamster generator.
I think it's designed to run with something. More like a small rodent.
Ah, fi di...
It's back on now.
Na. Dim byd fan'na. Felly, fi'n chwilio am cynlluniau... Fi'n teimlo ofnadwy, fi di roi'r hamster yn...
I'd better not, he looks pretty angry.
Right, beth sydd fan hyn? Dwi'n gallu ticlo fe.
I can almost get it now, but Lardo is lying on the sleeve.
Tynnu?
I can't move him an inch.
Gythio.
I can't move him an inch.
Siarad i fe.
Late night? I'm trying to save the world from a nasty tentacle.
Dwi'n credu mae unrhyw beth yn mynd i dweud yn mynd i helpu.
Around, have you? No, didn't think so. What's with that guy in the next room? What do you do to cheer up a favorite novelty designer? Ice cream usually brightens me right up. I had an uncle who snored as loud as you do. He lived in California until he was declared an earthquake hazard.
Earthquake hazard. Gwych.
Nice room you've got here.
Right.
I'd better be going now.
So fe'n unrhyw help fan hyn, felly... O, ma' hwnna'n handi. Achos...
Hi there.
Mae'n dangos yr holl opsiynau. Right, shift. Candy.
Hi.
Please, I'm too depressed to talk.
Okay.
Hey!
What's up, Bernard?
You haven't seen Dr. Fred's plans for a super battery around, have you?
No, just these world domination plans of Purple's. Any of Fred's plans would probably be in his office or the lab.
Well, see you later, Green.
Yeah! Good luck in saving the world, B-Man.
Right, credu mae'n amser I just trio...
That's one of the few places where fake barf isn't useful.
Okay. Beth am y boi na sydd yn isel? So dwi'n rhoi... Oh. Rhoi hwnna iddo fe.
That's one of the few places where fake barf isn't useful. I'd rather not.
Actually, beth ydi hwnna'n dweud?
It's from George's Hardware. George says that every American should have a vacuum cleaner in their basement. Now, where did Dr. Fred go?
Siarad gyda hi.
Excuse me.
Hi there, Googie Woogie.
Never mind.
Gallu rhoi flyer?
I'd rather not.
Na, bath.
I'd rather not.
I don't know what you're staring at back there, but cut it out.
Pam. Swiss bank note.
No, thank you, dear.
Na. Hwna ddim yn help. Ydw i'n gallu rhoi rhywbeth I fe?
I'd rather not.
Na.
That's one of the few places where fake barf isn't useful. Hey, want to see a neat trick?
Sure.
Neat, huh?
Uh-oh.
My Pony Express stamp. You ruined my Pony Express stamp. Not to mention 5 years of therapy. Get out of my room.
Uh-oh.
Jeez, what a grump. You should really try to find some outlet for those...
O, Leia.
negative feelings.
Mae stamp dy fi nawr. A llyfr.
It looks like all the ink's disappeared now.
Hwnna.
A 1778 Pony Express General Delivery stamp. Not too valuable, but it is uncancelled.
Fi ddim yn gallu gweld. Oedd y golau na ymlaen cyn? Yn cofio. Right. Fe rhaid fi defnyddio'r shift yna I gweld beth mae popeth.
It's not exactly the Ritz.
Na. Mae beth pulley.
I don't think I can do that.
Na.
It's a primitive but useful venting device which prevents injury due to harmful smoke inhalation. I can't. It's stuck.
Oh, okay. Beth...
I don't think that would look better white.
Na. Oh. Mae rhaid cael y boi yma I diflannu rhywsut. I gallu pigo fyny y gun lighter thing yna.
Has anyone ever told you you look like Don Pardo?
That's strange. My wife says I look like Charles de Gaulle.
Yeah.
So, want another cigar?
Okay, but only if you promise not to light it this time.
Would I do a thing like that?
Mae'n just yn mynd I neud e eto, ie. Oh, god. Cwmpo am yr un trick dwy waith.
I told you it was a bad habit.
Okay.
Hands up, boy. That's a precision-made novelty device.
Rhywsut fi'n credu mae rhaid ni gael... Right.
I can't reach that from here. Jumpy little sucker.
Jyst yn teimlo mae rhywbeth...
That's one of the few places where fake barf isn't useful. I'd rather not. Jumpy little sucker.
Oh. Lle fi'n gallu cael ei mynd lawr fyna? Na, a fi lawr fyna. O, fforc. Byth yn gwybod pryd ti angen fforc.
The Duke Memorial Brand Microwave.
Gwthio fe?
I'm not touching it. These models have a history of leakage.
Tynnu fe?
I'm not touching it. These models have a history of leakage.
Beth am te agor drws? Ooh. Coin slot.
You put quarters into the dryer there.
Yeah, well, sgen I ddim yn anffodus.
There's nothing in there to dry.
Okay, gweld beth yn union sydd dynnu fan hyn. Cabinet.
I'd rather not. Who knows what surprises await inside?
Ni gallu mynd mewn fan'na? Na.
It looks pretty broken. I don't think this thing will ever work. This is as open as it gets.
Funnel, dyna beth ni angen. Oes yna rhywbeth arall mewn fyna? Na. Felly... gawn ni... coffi. Dau type o coffi. Right. Oedd un o'n nhw wedi dweud rhywbeth am coffi. Just trio cofio pwy. Pwy oedd wedi siarad am coffi?
You looking at me? Are you looking at me? Then who are you looking at, huh? I asked you a question. Okay, clown, that does it.
Yeah.
Jumpy little sucker.
Ni gallu mynd am fyna. Oh yeah, si lawr fyna. Okay. So, pwy oedd... Pwy? I'm quite unsure.
I don't even want to touch that. I don't even want to touch that. I don't even want to touch that gunk.
Right. Oh, defnyddio'r fork.
It's really stuck to the floor.
Ddim yn gweithio gyda fork.
It's stuck to the floor.
Fi'n synnu ar hwnna.
It's really stuck to the floor.
Beth? Beth fod neud then? Funnel? Beth yw hwnna?
I guess not too many birds bathe in the evening.
Agor hwnna. Ys unrhyw beth?
It's empty.
Right. Gall siarad o fe.
Hi. Don't sneak up on me like that.
Nice crowbar.
Thanks. Don't even think about asking to use it. I need it.
What are you up to?
I locked my keys in the car.
I don't see your keys in the car.
Actually, I lost them somewhere.
If you're locked out, why break into the trunk?
I have a spare set of keys in there.
Nice crowbar.
Yeah, I know.
See you later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not my car. Someone wrote "wash me" in the dust. Some people think that washing one's vehicle will make it rain.
Oh?
Uh-huh.
How about that?
It's not my car. I think it's locked.
Hey, do you mind? I'm using this.
Okay.
I'm no vandal. I'm not sure I like that idea.
Na. Bach yn silly yn dyw e.
Gross. No way.
So...
Reminds me of the last time I had the flu.
Be fi'n mynd I wneud? Fi'n methu agor e, dwi?
Gross. No way.
Na. Mae fi'n mynd I tynwyr. Right, beth os te? Wedi funnel ddim yn mynd I helpu yn dyw e. Oh, ddim eisiau neud hwnna. Right, oes gen I rhywbeth draw fan hyn? Na. Silly. A motel yw e? Okay.
Hey, Ted. Talkative as ever, eh, Ted? Boy, I haven't seen you since I was here 5 years ago. You haven't changed a whole lot. You know, I bet you'd really like my friend Hoagie.
Okay, my honey, just
hit him
for
over the
himself.
head with a bowling ball and it wouldn't faze him. Boy, I wish I had as little on my mind as you. Purple Tentacle's probably taking over the planet by now. I've got to somehow get hold of a diamond. I guess I'd best be on about saving the world.
Right, well, right but that rhywbeth.
I'm not sure I like that idea. That's no way to treat an old friend. I'd rather not. I'd rather not.
Oh, man, silly. Maybe we need rhywbeth da'r boi ma. Dyn yma. Funnel.
I'm not sure I like that idea.
Fork.
There must be a better way.
Stamp.
I'd rather not.
Stamp.
I'd rather not. I'd
Flyer.
rather not. That's one of the few places where fake barf isn't useful.
You didn't expect me to fall for that old gag, did you? You have to get up pretty early in the morning to fool this old joker. In fact, I invented disappearing ink.
Yeah.
I don't think that would look better white.
No, it's probably some kind of practical joke.
Right, beth sydd fan hyn I gyd.
No use in doing that, it's empty. It's covered with unrecognizable, useless junk. And a gun.
Beth os then? Fi'n defnyddio'r fork gyda'r clone.
This fork couldn't pop a spit bubble, let alone a tough clown like Uzo. I don't think that would look better white.
Pretty much sure. Fi'n mynd I defnyddio hyn mwy dwi'n credu.
Out of order. Warning! Output from this device is highly toxic and may cause tyrannical delusions if ingested. It's Dr. Fred's design for a super battery. It's capable of storing up to 1 gigavolt.
Oh, do
with a
it.
Working time of only 0.01 seconds. Wow! I've got the plans.
Whee!
We have to flush them to Hoagie.
How did you get over there?
Diolch Beth.
My ingenious super battery design, please.
You really flushed them?
Yes.
Down the toilet?
No, through time. Using the highly sophisticated time flux hydraulic vortex chamber I've installed in each chronogen, you can flush small inanimate objects to each other through time. Flush small inanimate objects to each other through time.
Ooh.
Hello? Dr. Fred, can you hear me? Drat.
Did you hear something?
No. Let's see if what's-his-name catches on.
Oh, great. I'm stuck in colonial times, tentacles are taking over the world, and now the toilet's backing up.
Okay. Come over here. It's your old pal, Dr. Fred.
Dr. Fred, how'd you get in there?
I want you to pick up those plans you see in the Chronogon, Hoagie. Bring them to Red Edison. He's my great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather. He'll know what to do.
You need the plans to make a super battery so you can plug in your Chronogon.
Okay, if you say so, Bernard.
Bernard.
Good boy. Does he have any experience with electronics?
Well, I once saw him take 3,000 volts directly through his head without batting an eye.
Didn't he pass out?
Well, he was already passed out when it happened.
Time for me to save the world, I guess.
Brilliant. So, fi'n credu mae hwnna'n lle dda I gorffen e heddiw. Ni wedi swapio cymeriadau I Hoagie, sef y boi yma. A, ie. Fi yn joio yr anturiaeth Pwynt a Chlic yma. Fi'n credu fi wedi cael eitha dipyn o itemau nawr, felly fi'n credu mae'n eitha nice I stopio fyna. Mae wedi bod yn eitha llwyddiannus hyd yma, a byddwn ni'n dechrau gyda Hoagie tro nesaf. So, na I just gwasgu save. Dyna ni. 12%, good. 1 awr 5 munud. A nawn ni gorffen. Wel, ni just checio bod e wedi safio yn gywir. Mae wedi. Okay. Felly, So, diolch am wylio. Diolch Kieran a pwy arall, a Ieuan, a unrhyw un arall sydd wedi. Commander Ellis. Cool. Diolch am lyrcio wrth gweithio. Dwi'n mynd nôl I gwaith nawr. Be chi'n meddwl o gemau Pwynt a Chlic? Gaf fi gwybod beth yw eich hoff gêm Pwynt a Chlic. Dydd Mercher yma, byddwn ni'n chwarae Leisure Suite Larry, Wet Dreams Don't Dry neu rhywbeth. So, mae fe'n gêm 18+, felly bydd e'n nos Fercher. A wedyn, dydd Iau Dy Gwener, bydd ni'n mynd nôl i'r gêm yma, 1 sef Day of the Tentacle. Felly, gobeithio chi'n gallu ymuno gyda ni nos Fercher. Nhw wedi defnyddio'r 1.2 waith nawr. Fi'n gwybod, ond dyna beth ti'n disgwyl gyda Leisure Suite Larry. Mae'n just unashamedly, mae'r humor yna mor specific, a, so ni wedi chwarae gêm fel hwn o'r blaen ar y stream, so mae hwn fel Day of the Tentacle, just I gael ymenydd I dod nôl yn y mode o feddwl am Pwynt a Chlic, a wedyn Leisure Suite Larry, fi ddim yn gwybod beth sy'n mynd I fi gyda rhyw syniad cryf o beth sy'n digwydd yn y games yna, ond yn bach o hwyl, ond 18+ yn amlwg. Felly, gwelch chi nos Fercher, a diolch am ymuno yn y stream. Iawn, pob hwyl, ta-ra.